Hi, welcome to week 8. So we've made it through the class. This is the final week. What we're going to talk about this week is really try to bring together a lot of stuff that we've learned throughout the course of the term and culminate it into how do we actually now run an IT department using all of the strategies that we've come up with, all the practices that we've learned in terms of project management, all this, the like we said, the ethics, the things that we've talked about all throughout. How do you bring that to bear in the day-to-day management and execution of a potentially large budget that and an expectation from a company to deliver on the promises that you've made? So we're going to talk about portfolio management, and all portfolio management is really a means to take all the projects that you figured out need to get done and all the tasks that need to get done and group them and assign them to people to actually manage um, in a way that you're going to maximize the benefit of each of those implementations so that you minimize the amount of things that you're doing twice or three or four times and try to get the benefit. And we'll go into the details of that. But that's basically what we're doing this week is portfolio management. We'll have a project at the end that will, again, culminate a lot of the stuff that we've learned over the course of the term um, into a recommendation about how to implement a portfolio for a company. It's the Acme company that we're talking about. We'll kind of give you some information about it and what we want to do there. Um, that's it. The some usual stuff. There's a presentation kind of walks through what we mean when we talk about portfolio management. Some reading goes along with it, but that's going to be the gist of it. Really just trying to focus on bringing together everything we've learned into this assignment at the end of the week, and we'll just get going from here. Thanks.